Hi friends, it's Udhaya from Backyard Garden Highlights. Hope you guys are doing great today. Today I'm sharing an update on harvesting shallots that I planted last fall. Onions or shallots can be planted in few different ways. One method is from seed. Another way is from seedlings or the plants that are available in garden center beginning of the season. And the other way is from set onions. Usually set onions are sold in early fall or early spring at the garden centers. I tried set onion method last fall. My nearby garden center sold red onion sets from Netherlands Bulb Company brand. I planted them in 2 rows here. I also wanted to try store-bought onions that sprouted. I think I planted them in the mid of these 2 rows in early spring. Once I planted these onions from the set, it sprouted before last winter and they survived almost 30 plus inches of snow. Fresh shoots came in early spring and I applied Biotone organic fertilizer, I think sometime early spring, and I also applied some organic compost in late summer. One thing that I missed to make sure is regular watering. Onions are shallow roots and they need to be kept moist until they start bulbing. Ideally, each onion should have produced 6 to 12 plants, which means almost 6 to 12 onions or shallots. I think I have got only few multiplied with that number. Remaining plants produced 1 or 2 shallots only. But it's okay, I'm happy on what I have got because that's a good learning experience. But I think I should make sure to keep the soil fluffy and rich next time because I think onions also a good feeder. So I need to fertilize them regularly and water them regularly next time so that I can make better in terms of my onion or shallot harvest. After harvesting these onions, I kept them in a pallet in my garage for about 2 to 3 weeks for them to dry and cure. During this process, I left the roots and leaves attached to the onions. Drying is an important process, especially if you have harvested a lot of onions and want to store them for long. Now that it has cured for 3 weeks, I'm just removing the extra dirt off and cutting the stalk and roots from the onions. Alright guys, today I'm going to make South Indian style crab masala. I thought it would be interesting to share it with you guys how I'm making the crab masala that my family is going to enjoy. got changed from blue to orange. Yummy crab masala is ready to serve. Thank you guys for watching. See you in another video.